Hello everyone, welcome to the video lecture series of how to develop your business vocabulary. Now here in this video series, we're going to talk about essential vocabulary for common business topics like, for example, meetings, presentations, negotiations, and also the learning techniques for memorizing new words effectively. Also, we are going to talk about the importance of using vocabulary in context. So let's get started. Developing a strong business vocabulary is quite crucial for effective communication in professional settings. So here's a detailed guide for you all to build your business vocabulary. What you need to do is identify the essential vocabulary for common business topics. Like, you can start by identifying the key areas of business communication where you need to strengthen your vocabulary. You can focus on common topics like meetings, presentations, negotiations, sales, marketing, finance, and also management. Within each topic, you need to identify the specific terms, phrases, and also expressions which are commonly used in business contexts. These may include industry-specific terminology or general business jargon. You can utilize the learning techniques for memorizing new words. Like, you can employ a variety of learning techniques to memorize new words effectively. These techniques might include contextual learning. So what is all about contextual learning? We can learn new words in the context of sentences or phrases to understand their meaning and usage better. Okay, then we can use visual aids. So number 2 would be visual aids. So you can use flashcards, diagrams, or mind maps to visually represent the new words and their meanings. Also, you can review and practice, which would be considered as repetition. Okay, like being consistent. You can review and practice the new words regularly to reinforce your memory. Fourth would be association. Associate with new words, with familiar concepts, with experiences or images to aid the retention. Fifth, mnemonics. Create mnemonic devices or memory aids to remember difficult or complex words. Last but not the least would be to practice exercises. You need to engage yourself in exercises such as word puzzles, then quizzes or role-playing scenarios to reinforce learning. So, what's the use or importance of using vocabulary in context? Now, it's really essential to use vocabulary in context to understand its meaning accurately and also to use it appropriately in communications. Like, you can practice using new words and sentences or scenarios which are relevant to the business contexts. Then this could involve writing emails or participating in mock meetings, which you can definitely create with your friends or colleagues, or negotiations or delivering presentations. Also, you need to pay attention to how words are used in real-life business situations, such as in meetings, reports, or professional correspondence. Obviously, try to seek feedback from your peers, from your mentors or language instructors to ensure that you are using the vocabulary correctly and effectively. As I have already mentioned in all my videos till now, consistency is the key. So continuous learning and application is extremely necessary and important. For building a strong business vocabulary, you need to keep on going. It means that it's an ongoing process. So make it a habit to continually expand your vocabulary by learning new words and phrases which are relevant to your industry or field. And also stay updated on industry trends, developments, terminology through reading business publications, websites, go through websites and industry specific literature also. Try to actively incorporate the newly learned vocabulary into your everyday communication, okay, both in written form as well as in verbal form, to reinforce retention and mastery. Because if you keep on doing something regularly, you will become the master of that. So by following these strategies and techniques, you can effectively develop and enhance your business vocabulary, enabling clearer, more precise, and professional communication in various business contexts. So yeah, that's it for today's video. If you want to follow us and go through these strategies and techniques, then you can definitely follow this series.